No, ang tinutukoy nila ay ang nasa Section 6, page 9, kung saan sinasabi na CSE shall be integrated in the school curriculum, guided by DepEd and the international standards. And at nandoon ang pagkakamali ni Senator Risa Ontiveros, which caused all this backlash allegedly. It's just, naghanap sila ng objectionable thing or objectionable passage sa bill na ito just so that the whole shtick at saka yung essence ng bill would not be passed. Pero they found section 6, page 9, where it said na CSE shall be integrated in the school curriculum, guided by DepEd and international standards. At nandoon ang pagkakamali ni Senator Risa Ontiveros. They could not have had the ammunitions if tinanggal niya yung international standards and just left DepEd as the primary guide. I mean, they wouldn't have this hysteria. Meron pang peer counseling at pag-involve ng ilang departamento ng gobyerno tulad ng DSWD and all that stuff at ng mga SK sa mga barangay. Hindi tinatanggal ang mga magulang sa equation, contrary to what Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno was saying sa video.
Wala tayong pagnanais na tanggalin ang parental authority. Siyempre, ang magulang pa rin ang mangunguna. Ang sinasabi sa aking bill, talagang kailangan nananawagan sa DSWD, DOH, DepEd na tulungan ang parents na turuan ng bata. At pati, para sa akin, mahalaga dahil ang mga teenager, alam naman natin, di masyado nakikinig kung minsan na nakakatanda, yung peer counseling ng SK at NYC.
Ma'am, will you consider withdrawing? Will you consider withdrawing from it?
I think withdrawal at this point is a little too early dahil hindi pa naman siya pinapasa. Ang alam ko, naudlot sa period of interpellation kasi ang daming tanong ng mga mambabatas.
But some senators already withdrew their signature from the committee report.
Yes.